It's day 3 of Bali and this is my makeup for today because we are going to go surfing. It's gonna be exciting. So I just put on the Heroine Make Waterproof Mascara and we're gonna see how it actually lasts in the waves today. And I love this mascara combo. So I'm using the lengthening and the volumizing one, so it really makes my Asian lashes pop. It's so lengthening and beautiful. I love it. This is the new shade in brown. It's super pretty. So yeah, gonna show you guys how our day is going today. Ciao! Surfing at my surf school Bali. My eyes are like swollen, but it was super fun. Check out my mascara, it's still on. Crazy.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. posture of a superstar. She looks so fly in those Gucci slides. Yeah, yeah, I wonder what she hides under her disguise. Yeah, 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 yeah. And all the girls around the world, they wanna be her. And all the dudes are trying to score like it's fever. She lives a double life, puts on a show. What's under this subtle smile, we'll never know. She's a Mona Lisa.
Hey guys, so we are back in the hotel for a quick stopover. Time is running out and we have to grab our bags and head to the airport soon. I have my passport in my dress. Ta-da! We have to go back to Singapore soon and it's a little bit like heartbreaking because Bali is so fun, and I'm so glad that this time around I decided to like stop doing eyelash extension and put on mascara for the entire trip because these Heroine Make Holiday Ready lashes are the only thing that lasted me through the depths of the waves, the humid weather and everything else. Because come on guys, I just went to Ubud and it was so hot, so humid, I was sweaty, but my makeup and my lashes are still on. Like, I'm so glad to have Heroine Make Holiday Ready lashes with me. The mascara, the serum and the remover, it all plays a part and it makes the entire journey so much easier. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed my little travel vlog and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!